got it. We got it on the...
No, I just started recording this.
Oh, just now?
Yeah. He was going fast.
He was like crazy or something.
Well, he had his hazards on. He's probably having a heart attack, is what he's probably trying to get to the hospital. Is the person moving in the car?
Should I go up there?
No. Don't get involved. There's a lot of other people getting involved.
That lady seems like a nurse anyway.
Yeah. Get the fuck away from the car, people. That guy was going fast.
Well, they couldn't see it. They didn't know that someone was going.
No, they need to get away from it. It's gonna blow up.
Oh.
The fuel. You can smell the oil and fuel. God, that wasn't us. Holy shit.
Yeah, if we were like...
Ran over something. Holy crap, went into the guardrail too. I'm surprised that guy's alive. Is he bloody?
He's alive.
People in the other car though. Are they down in the bank? Holy fuck.
That's the guy.
Where's the car that got hit?
I don't know.
Oh shit, it's in front of me. Dude, they got spun way over here.
Oh, watch out for that